Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Praveen Gajbir, student of Bridgescent Institute in batch of 17th of a Pharma. Today I will tell you about the plastic pollution. Now start the plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is a global environmental crisis caused by excessive and important disposal of plastic products. It adversely impacts ecosystems, marine life, and human health. The persistence of plastic is the environment leads to long-term pollution affecting oceans, rivers, and land. Efforts to reduce a single-use plastic, promote recycling, and raise awareness are crucial in mitigating the harmful effects of plastic pollution. Every day, equivalent of 200 garbage trucks full of plastic are dumped into the world ocean, river, and lakes. Plastic pollution is a global program. Every year, 1923 million tonnes of plastic waste leaks into aquatic ecosystem, pollution lakes, rivers, and seas. Plastic pollution can alter habitats and natural processes, reducing ecosystem ability to adapt to climate change, directly affecting millions of people, livelihoods, food production capability, and social well-being. The body of work demonstrates that the problems of plastic pollution doesn't exist in a vacuum. The environmental, social, economic, and health risk of plastic need to be assessed alongside other environmental stressors like climate change, ecosystem degradation, and resource use. Plastic pollution is the accumulation of a plastic object and particles, that is example of the plastic bottle, bag, and microbeads in the earth's environment that adversely affect a human, wildlife, and their habitat. Plastic that act as a pollutant are categorized by size into micro, meso, or micro debris. Plastic are inexpensive and durable, making them very adaptable for different uses. As a result, manufacturers choose to use plastic over other material. However, the chemical structure of most plastic renders them resistant to many natural processes of degradation, and as a result, they are slow to degrade. Together, these two factors allow large volume of plastic to enter the environment as mismatched waste, which persists in the ecosystem and travels throughout food webs. Plastic pollution in a global environment crisis caused by expensive and important disposal of plastic products in adversely impact ecosystem, marine life, and human health. The persistence of plastic in the environment lead to long-term pollution affecting ocean, rivers, and land. Effort to reduce single-use plastics, remote recycling, and raise awareness are crucial in mitigating the harmful effect to plastic pollution. The body work of demonstrates that the problems of plastic pollutions doesn't exist in a vacuum. The environmental, social, economic, and health risk of a plastic need to be assessed alongside Other environmental stressors like a climate change, and ecosystem degradation and resource use. Plastic pollution can alter a habit and a natural process, um, reducing ecosystems ability to adapt to climate change, and directly affecting millions of people's livelihoods, food production capability, and social well-being. The plastic pollution is a global problem. Every year, 19 to 23 million tonnes of a plastic waste leak to aquatic ecosystem, polluting lakes, rivers, and seas. Thank you.